In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install SAAS application website builder for HTML templates. Example of this script is PixelPages. So now, let's look at some of the features of this script. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now, let's look at the admin features of the admin dashboard. You can add users, assign plans to the user, add plans, add specific template to a plan, add number of sites allowed within a plan, create template, edit template, update template, delete template, preview template, manage payment settings, manage email settings, manage profile, manage site logo and favicon. So after downloading this script, I go straight to my cPanel. For your script installation or customization, use the engagement link in the description to agree with me to help you customize your script or install it. Also, if you want to develop your web application or mobile application, also use the engagement link in the description. So next, I go to my file manager. Next, I go to the subdomain I'll be using for this testing purposes, which is it. I click on it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I've already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So next, I click on close. Now this is my extracted file. Let me open it. I want to move all the content in it to the root folder. So I click on select all. I click then move files. So next I click on upper level. So I've successfully uploaded it to my file manager. Next, let me go back to my cPanel. This time around I'm going to my database. I want to create database. Now let's create databases. So let me name my database as PixelPages. Yes. I click on create database. For your script installation, please use the engagement link in the description to help you to install your script. Also for your script customization, also use the engagement link in the description to help you to customize your script. So next I click on go back. I have successfully created my database. So after creating my database, next I'm going to create the user. Let me name it as PixelPages user. Then next I click on create user. I have successfully created my user and I have created my database. Let me click on go back. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. And let me scroll down. So I will add my user to my database. I will make sure I select the one I just created. Here is it. Here is it. Then I click on add. I give up privileges, then scroll down to make changes. I've successfully given all privileges to the user. So next, let me copy the username. Let me go back to my file manager. This time around, application, config, then my database.php. I'm going to edit it. Edit. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Edit. So let me scroll down. Okay. database username, database name, that's the database. Next, I will click on save changes. So success. Now let me go back to my file manager. I click on up one level. I want to copy up one level. Yes. Okay, Control copy, open a new tab, paste it there, then click on enter. Okay, there is an error here. Let me go back to my database. Oh, there is an error here. My database name is not correct. Yes. Let me click on save changes. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for your web development application. Use the engagement link for your project. So success. Now let me go back to the site, then I refresh it. Oh, you're having an error again. Oh, I forgot something. Let me go back to my cPanel. Let me go back to my cPanel. Then from there I'll go to my database. Then PHP my admin. Database is PHP my admin. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your script installation or script customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script or install your script. I will select my database name, which is this. Then next I will click on import to import my database. Choose file. Yes, it. Select it, then click on open. So then import. I have successfully imported my database. So next, let me go back to my site and refresh it. So I successfully uploaded it. I will successfully install it on my server. So let me log in with my demo. Then click on login. Look at it. It has installed successfully. This is my dashboard, my plans, template, users. Look at everything. So to customize it or to install it, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize it to your satisfaction or to your taste, and also to install it. Also, if you want to develop your mobile or web application, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop your application. Thank you.